After I learned this recipe, I just want to eat potatoes like this. To start with, I'm using 4 medium potatoes and I'm going to break these potatoes in half. Taking advantage, leave in the comments the city where you are watching so I can send you a big hug and now where my recipe is arriving. Now just take the potato to a pan with water to cover everything. And if you prefer, you can add salt in this water to make the potato more seasoned. But in case you didn't want to put it, just turn off the heat and remove the potatoes wet it is at this point, with the fork sticking then and come out easily. Let's drain all this water and reserve the potato on the side. Now in another pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter. If you are enjoying the recipe, don't forget to like it and leave a love and share this video with everybody. After melting the butter, just add the potatoes like this. And after a while they will already be fried. Now just turn the other way. If you don't follow our page or our channel, follow us and subscribe now, because every day we post videos at 6:30 p.m. bringing you the best recipes. I added salt to taste, oregano to taste, sweet paprika to taste, pepperoni to taste, and now stir very well. Add 2 crushed garlic cloves, but if you prefer it can be the garlic in large pieces. Now stir until the garlic is golden. And green onions to taste. Parsley to taste. Stir until the parsley and chives stick to the potato. Today, the special hug is for Thais from Belo Horizonte, Brazil, and her daughter, Malu. A big hug for you and your family. Thanks for the comment and know that they encourage me to make any other videos. And our potatoes are ready, guys. It looks amazing, there's no way to resist, and it's much better than the potato chips. Do it at your house, that I'm sure everybody will love. These potatoes for lunch or dinner will be a hit. This was another recipe from the Poor in the Kitchen. That strong hug, until the next time, and thanks for watching.